Today, I'm going to begin unveiling my top 9 coins for 2025. I'm not a financial advisor. And right now with Bitcoin down, it's actually bounced up a little bit. You know, I've been telling everybody, I feel like it's altcoin season. It's time right now, guys. It is time to get in these altcoins. This is going to be your last chance. This is your last chance to get in Bitcoin before it hits 100K. This is your last chance to get in these altcoins. You got to hear me on this. We're going to be doing a fully expansive video. We're going to go over all the returns from my 2024 picks, my 8 picks. They crushed it. We did 7 originally and then added Cardano to make it 8 a few days later. And it turned out to be okay. Cardano's performed okay here recently. But what we're going to do is I'm going to count these 9 coins down one by one. And then we're going to do a fully comprehensive video, maybe before number 1 or something, and show you guys all of the stats from the last ones. Guys, nobody picks the coins better than the BitBoy, and you guys know that. And so here's the thing, guys. This pick is going to shock people. Make sure to hit the like button, though. Okay, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you get all of these. You don't want to miss any of them. We'll create a little playlist. But the point is, guys, this coin is going to shock people. This is number 9. My number 9 coin, people are going to be absolutely shocked. I almost included this last year and I didn't. I'm glad I did because this coin is actually down over the last 365 days. 23%. It's down 23% in the last year. Well, what is SWE? Well, SWE's up 700%. That's one of my picks from last year. So it's up 700%, and now we're looking at this coin. What coin is it? And I tell you, this is going to shock you guys if you've been watching this channel for the last 6 to 8 months. I think Ethereum is kind of dead. Polygon is my number 9 coin. It's not Ethereum for sure. You will not find Ethereum on my list here anywhere. But the point is, when it comes to Polygon, the reasons, you pick coins for different reasons, right? Sometimes you pick it for use case, okay? Sometimes you pick a coin because you like the team. Sometimes you pick a coin because of this. Sometimes you pick it because of that. I'm going to tell you exactly why I'm picking Polygon. It has nothing to do with what it is. It has nothing to do with its future. It has nothing to do with the recent token exchange they had. What it has to do with is one thing and one thing only. The whales swallow the fishes. That's right, guys. The big boys, they get their money. Now, if you don't know, 80%, or at least this was the last I read, maybe 2 years ago. It might be higher than that now, actually. 80% of all the coins owned on Polygon were owned by like the top 60 addresses or something crazy like that. Maybe it's 1,000 addresses. Whatever it is, there is a lot of consolidation of these coins at the very, very top. What does that mean? Well, that means the other 20% of people they trade around, they usually end up losing. That's why it's down 23% for the last year until the time is right. Because you have to understand this, the whales are going to accumulate, okay? And they push prices down, sometimes defying logic even. Ethereum's going to have a run at some point. This is when Polygon will probably have its run. But the thing is who are these 80% of people here, or excuse me, who are these small percentage that own 80% of the coins? Who is this? And what might their plan for accumulation be? And when will they turn it around and pump it, right? Because that's what happens. They press the price down, accumulate. They get out most retail, most uninformed investors, and it flies up when everybody gets out. That's what just happened with XRP and ADA, really. I'm not switching gears on ADA. You guys know how I feel about it. Nothing has changed. Actually, I told you all this was going to happen. I told you it was going to pump. I told you it would probably get to $3. I don't think it's going to get to $6, like George is saying. It could, but I think it'll kind of hit a double top range, maybe $3.50, and XRP is going to go much further. But that's another story. We're not picking any of the same coins we picked last year, by the way. So you won't find XRP on here. Even you won't find XRP, you won't find Solana, you won't find SWE, even though I think they're still going to be top performers next year. You should already been in them. I told you last year to get into those, okay? Are you on the lookout for a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that offers low fees and high security? With so many exchanges to choose from, it can be overwhelming to find the right one that meets all your trading needs. That's where Phemex comes in. Phemex is a top-notch crypto exchange designed to provide you with an exceptional trading experience. By joining Phemex using my affiliate link, you can enjoy a wide range of trading features, low fees, and robust security measures. Phemex prioritizes your security with advanced protection protocols, ensuring your assets are safe. Plus, their user-friendly interface makes trading a breeze, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. But that's not all. When you use my affiliate link, you'll also get access to exclusive offers and up to $8,800 in trading bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to trade on a platform that truly values its users. Click the link in the description to sign up for Phoenix today. Start trading with confidence. Your journey to successful crypto trading, well, it begins now. So the point is, who are these people? Who are these mystery people that are holding on to all of this supply? It's Circle. It's Jeremy Allaire. He's the CEO of Circle. It's Goldman Sachs, actually. And you know what Circle owns? USDC. I don't know if you know that as well. So you got Circle, you got Goldman Sachs, you got a lot of concentration among few wallets that are owned by institutions at the top. And when we look at the price of Polygon, the POL token it is now, it was Matic formerly. There's still some of those floating around. You only want to get the POL token. And I think that's correct. I think that's right. I don't know. Maybe there's a point to invest in both. I actually don't know. I don't think there is. I think that they're completely converting it, but I can't remember actually. It's been a long time since I did that video. But once again, I want you guys to understand, none of that's important. If I was choosing Polygon based on some tokenomics or some news coming, then that stuff would matter. But you pick coins for different reasons. I already told you I'm picking this coin because Goldman Sachs and Circle, man, they're gonna get that money. You don't think they're gonna make that money? And Polygon has fallen. It was in the top 10. It was like number 8 at some point, I think. Man, this thing has fallen all the way. It was like around number 50 or 60 at some point, okay? It has fallen so far. It's down 23% for the last 365 days. And I gotta believe that it's gonna be one of the better performers of the next part of the bull run. It's gonna get people excited about it. People will be talking about layer 2s again, probably Arbitrum Optimism will move along with it, and they're gonna be talking about it, yada, yada, yada. And then all of a sudden, something's gonna happen and it will go back to normal where people realize Ethereum isn't really gonna go anywhere. Institutional, and this is why Goldman Sachs and Circle love it, right? Institutional grade, enterprise grade. That's what, Ethereum's kind of, I guess you could say like the Linux. That's good. That's what really I've been developing over the last few days. I've been using Ubuntu, okay? But the point is, I've never used Linux before. I've been using it like crazy. And the thing is, I heard that almost all enterprise uses Linux. And I'm like, what? Why would they? When did everybody use Windows? I use Macs, but whatever. Now I'm seeing some of the problems with the compatibility, but I digress. So the point is, though, I started using it and I understand it now. It's so much easier to develop on. You get less errors than everywhere else. It's just, and you don't have compatibility on the back side. It's just on the front end. There's a lot of compatibility, with crossover and things. But the point I'm trying to say is Ethereum is kind of like the Linux of crypto now. The problem is it's so slow and it's congested. That's not a Linux problem. But the enterprise and the institutions, that's what they want to use because it's safer. It's safer than a lot of these other options. It only went down once and they changed the chain, and that was in the very beginning with the DAO hack. I know you guys don't care about that, but I could get into layer 2s and why they're important for Ethereum. I don't think they're that important, but when you add in DeFi, like institutional DeFi options, a higher grade of investor, when you factor that in, and if it's DeFi, then there could be, who knows, tons of microtransactions, then, Polygon actually finds a use case and it finds a home. And I don't think we're going to see, I think this is going to be the last hurrah for Polygon, though, most likely. I think this is where they're going to get their money and get out maybe at the end. Who knows? Maybe they sell out to Consensus or something. I'm not sure how involved Consensus is with it. But I think that ultimately, it doesn't matter what is going to happen. Just remember this. The big boys are going to get that money. They always do. So Polygon is going to be one of your top 9 pumpers 2025. Let's get it. That's all I got. Be blessed. Bye-bye.